Welcome everyone to the Angel Scrolls, your direct YouTube channel to heaven. This is where you get miraculous proof that God and the angels really exist. My name is Ryan, and I'm the founder of the Angel Scrolls and the past guardian of Victor and Danny the Budgie. I'm also the current guardian of Danny the Budgie, who gives regular updates allowing us to witness these incredible communications with the angels on a continuous basis. All you need to do is keep an open mind, listen to the recordings with headphones, and be willing to spend a little bit of your precious time finding out the truth about what God wants us to know. In this next video, which I called Out of It, it refers to my indecision in the past to feel I could do a good enough job in introducing and being a bigger part of the videos that Danny does. I know I'm not the greatest speaker, but I think I can learn. So I finally decided I'm going to give it a try. And even if it doesn't work, it will leave room for improvement and hopefully get better as I have more experience. I took this particular video about 7 in the morning. I have a habit of getting a coffee, turning on the news, and plunking myself down on the couch for a little while when I wake up. I'm not normally in the mood for doing a video that early in the morning. The previous night, I'd set up the camera near Danny's cage to get it ready for his next recording. When Danny began to talk, I muted the TV, turned on the video cam, and sat down and listened to him while he was recording. Keep in mind that I can't understand much of anything he's saying until I put my headphones on and spend a considerable amount of time listening to it on the computer. As the video goes, in the first paragraph, Danny starts off more or less objecting to the way I set up the camera. For one thing, the camera was too low, it partially cut him off, and at times, and totally cut my head off while I was sitting on the couch. At the time, I really didn't care if I was in the video or not. I was just trying to get a good one of him talking. However, when I started getting what Danny was saying, I realized that I was taking the wrong approach. In a previous video, Danny mentioned that they, the angels, were going to work on making improvements to the videos by letting me know what I was doing wrong. And by God, and with the help of the angels, they haven't let up since. In the second paragraph, Danny talks about why it is so important to get things right. Because there are a lot of people out there that are looking to find fault in everything we do, because they don't want to believe that this is possible. We've been doing this now for about 5 months with Danny. Overall, I've been doing it for almost 20 years. We have a small forum with a few members that rarely comment. In the past, the angels have promised that if we get enough people to participate in the forum, they'll be able to experience living prophecy, miracles, and the angels will reveal secrets that we as evolving humans need to know. Here's the video.
Okay, it's Stephen if you want to talk, Danny. I can hear you. It's pretty early in the morning. You're not usually up this early, are you, Danny? You can talk a little bit louder if you want. Do you know what day it is today? We always sit here in the morning and watch the news together, eh, Danny?